Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and today we are participating in the Tablescape Tuesday. Now, I am in that transitional stage. You know, we've had Christmas, we've had Valentine's Day. It's not warm enough to go straight into spring. It's not cold enough to continue to decorate for the winter. But I'm going to give you kind of a mixture of both as, you know, it's Tablescape Tuesday, anything goes, anything flies. So I'm going to work on seeing what I can come up with using these florals, some greenery, some black and white. But before we go any further, let's go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Today I'm going to have a little can of ginger ale. Not feeling my best, not my very best anyway, but I do feel okay enough to put this Tablescape together. So guys, I hope you will enjoy it. As I stated, it's part of Tablescape Tuesday, anything flies. So I am going to see what I can actually come up with for this collaboration. I will have the links to all of the hosts and co-hosts in my description box below. Make sure you go over and check them out. Check out that playlist or the hashtag that will be in my description box. Check everybody out. Show them lots of love. And if you're new here, I do take this time to say I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you'll see something that you like and click that subscribe button. Make sure you all give me that big old thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. I do love reading your comments. So I'm your host. I'm Gigi Faison. I have my drink. I'm going to tuck it away. As you guys continue to drink, sit back, relax, grab yourself a snack because I did set a playlist and you know sometimes you want to go all the way through that playlist. So I'm going to get to work for you guys. This very, very white, very satin table runner, and you can use either the metallic silver on the other side, but I am going to go for the white. My table has been cleaned already. It's just been waiting for me to put something here. have stuck around to the end, as I will bring you in and share with you what I have created here. And I'm going to show you how you can just take your everyday dishes and turn them into a very beautiful masterpiece. Alright guys, let me bring you in closer for a closer look. Now guys, if you like what you see here and you want to be a part of this family, I'm telling you it's so easy. Just make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. I will love you all to give me a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. Stay tuned and watch the rest of this video as I bring you in for a much closer. So guys, you know, I always love starting from my center. And so today I'm bringing your eyes to this beautiful array of roses. It's two different bushes here with the greenery. I love it so much. The little branches I've added for more volume. And then this gorgeous black vase with that pinstripe. I think it's more like a faint gray, or you could even say it's white if I pull it back far enough. And I have it resting upon this beautiful white runner. Added a couple of candlesticks with a little votive and vase to add the candles. Place that greenery on top of that white for that extra oomph that I like to see with the greenery that it provides. And guys, this is how I am choosing to use my everyday dishes to create such a wonderful, elegant. I'm going to start here. This is that beautiful scalloped charger plate that I picked up from Hobby Lobby some time ago. They're $1.99 each. The Corelle dinnerware, and I have used these before in the past. We have the dinner plate, our salad plate, and our soup or salad bowl. On the end, I placed this Paris napkin ring with this beautiful carnation, I think, napkin ring there. And that greenery pulls it all in. I have my flatware at each setting, along with my stemware, which is that pink with a gold rim. So this makes up my very elegant, everyday dishes tablescape.